Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are home right now and you are quarantined and you're tired of looking like Celie, this video is for you. We're gonna DIY this knotless braid style. Super easy, super quick. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new. Stay tuned. Here are things you'll need: edge wax of your choice or gel, small tooth comb, and your hair. I'm using some KNOTLESS hair pre-stretched that was given to me by a friend because the beauty supply stores in my area are closed. Use any hair that you prefer. This is a size that I'm starting with, and I'm going from small, medium to larger. As you can see, the first one is small, second is medium, the third one's a little larger. I've been doing smaller parts for the front, but for the back of your hair, you can make your parts a little larger. You just want to separate your 3 strands, and you'll see how I do it. I promise that I'm going to slow it down in the next clip. This is just a faster version of how I do it. I install the first, then the second, and the third comes on a little later. Just so I can get that added length. If you don't want your hair to be much longer, you can add the third as soon as you add the second, if that makes sense. I'll try to explain it a little better. So I know everyone braids differently. I'm right-handed, so I lead with the outer right strand. I bring it to the middle, keep it there, and then I take my hair and I add the hair to the now outermost right strand and the outermost left strand. I make a notch, and then I do the same again, add the hair to the outermost right strand and the outermost left strand. Did you guys get that? So one end of the hair is added to the outer right strand and the outer left strand. The middle strand is just there, you know, as an anchor, basically. And there I go, I do it again. Go back and slow it down if you need to. On my way down, as I braid, I sometimes grab a bit of the edge wax just to smooth my hair down so that I'm getting all of my ends into the hair. I don't want to leave any strands, you know, unprotected. And this is pretty much where I'm braiding to. I'm leaving just a bit of the ends out. There we go. You can go all the way down if you like. You're gonna put it in hot water anyway. This is basically what it's looking like. And I'm just gonna show you guys how it is in the back of my head. I'm pretty much doing the same technique. It's not harder, it's not easier. It's pretty much the same for me all around my hair, all around my head, I'm sorry. This practically took me about 4 days to finish, but only because I was doing it at my own pace, on my own time. We don't have anywhere to go, so you know, I'm pretty much just braiding my hair and then waking up in the morning and doing the same thing again. No one's gonna see you. You'll be fine. If you see any, you know, flakes or any spots, any buildup from your edge wax or your gel, you can just smooth that into your hair. It'll pretty much all be gone by the time that you're finished. thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it really helpful. I hope that you try this out at home. Go in the back of your closet, see if you got some hair back there. I know you do. And try this out at home. Once again, super quick, super easy. If you liked it, if you found it helpful, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!